Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab your drink. What I'm drinking is rum runner. It's the flavor Stingray. I'm gonna go ahead, shake mine up, pour it over ice, you know, the usual. Hopefully you got yours last week and you are now joining me with yours. All right, so let me go pour my drink and then we can talk. Okay, so there's this page on Instagram that I follow called Natural Erotica, okay? And and one of the things they do is that they post the DMs that they get on Instagram to their feed for people to give feedback based on the DMs that they post. Okay, that makes sense? All right, one of the posts I saw really intrigued me. The first thing the person says is, I'm not sure if this guy likes me or not. Okay, cool. Let's just go from there because she goes into a whole thing and it's just, you know, yeah. What I want to say to that is if you have to question whether or not a guy likes you, he doesn't like you, period. If it's a case where, all right. The thing with men, or most men, let's say that, they're pretty straightforward. If you find that a guy is playing games or only talks to you certain times or isn't completely open or honest with certain things or will be all nice with you now and then be all cold with you later, he's not 100% invested in you. If that's what you're looking for, companionship, relationship, if you're looking for someone to communicate with on the regular and he's just not doing that, then he's just not into you. Plain and simple. You shouldn't have to beg for a guy's attention. You shouldn't have to beg for a guy to open up and talk to you. If he wants to, he will. Simple. Most guys, they will, yes, put on a facade for like the first week, the first month, the first 2-3 months, whatever the case is. That is true. After a while, shit changes. They're not talking to you like they used to. They're not texting like they used to. They're not saying the things that they said in the beginning of your situationship. He doesn't like you. It was just a game. He just wanted the pussy and that's it. I really wanted Fred to come out here and be in this video with me to give his male perspective on the topic, but he refuses to film with me anymore. Babe! But now he listens to me, I swear. But yeah, plain and simple. If you have to question whether or not he likes you, he doesn't. That's just it. If the question ever pops in your head, I wonder if this guy likes me, he doesn't like you. It sounds weird, but he doesn't like you. If he liked you, you would know it. Maybe he likes you in the beginning, but he doesn't like you now. And that's completely fine because that leaves room for you to spread your wings and date who you want to date, be with who you want to be with, or not date who you don't want to date and not be with who you don't want to be with or don't need to be with or who isn't meant for you. What you need to do is focus on yourself. What you need to do is live your own life. Stop worrying about another man. Stop worrying about another girl. Stop worrying about whether or not, you know, he's going to call you tomorrow or if he's going to respond to your text messages, if he's watching your stories on Instagram or Snapchat. Like, forget all of that. Life is too short to be stressing yourself over somebody's son who doesn't give that same energy or respect or care or love for you, regardless of how the relationship started. Okay? Okay. That is all I have to say. It's a very short video. My drink is barely even done. It tastes like a soda. Like I want to say like a watermelon type soda, but not as sweet as a watermelon soda. It's really good. Anyways, that's the Stingray. That's how I feel about that. If you guys feel differently, if you guys have any more advice for people in this situation, leave it in the comment section below. If you have something that you want to ask you to embarrass, leave in the comment section. Shoot me an email, shoot me a DM, shoot me a email. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.